Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. All right, y'all, so as you can see, I did it. I don't know if I did a video showing you all about this kit that I bought, but this is Epoxy resin kit, and it has the resin and the hardener, easy mix. Okay, and I'm just going to show y'all pretty much what I got in this kit. Of course, you see I have some gloves here. Okay, and I have and the A is the resin. Okay, I ordered this kit from Amazon. And then I have the hardener, which is B. And of course I have my measuring cups, and these are the tops. Okay, so you get, okay, that's 100 millimeter that goes up to, and this is 50. And then these are the instructions on how to use this kit. Now, what I will say is, y'all know that I probably will be coming to you all with some type of how to make video on how to use making stuff. Y'all already know. But I'm gonna also show y'all something that I recently purchased. Okay, now I saw these were in the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree have these silicone molds, and I bought 2 of them because I will probably be making some earrings with these. And also I saw this resin craft silicone bracelet mold. I'm trying to remember, I think I got this from, I bought this, I had to buy this, I bought this from Joann's Fabrics. Okay, so just wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all something new that I am going to be working on. Everybody is into this now. I'm always the last to the group. But it's okay, it's all good. So like I said, I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm not quite sure how much I paid for it because I've had this kit for some months now. And yeah, y'all, so with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. Have an amazing day, y'all. Happy crafting, and please make sure you thumbs it up. Until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.